Welcome to my channel. Let's make some bubblegum soap for a fun and colorful project. First of all, let's see how we can create these soap balls. Let's start by preparing the colorant. I'm using rubbing alcohol to disperse the pigments before adding it to the soap base. If you use micas or liquid colorant, you can add your colors directly to the soap. Our colorant is now ready to go, and I also have a fragrance oil. Here is the already melted soap base. Titanium dioxide makes a clear soap base look more opaque, and once the colors are added they will look pastel-y. Our soap will be transparent and the gumballs pastel colored for a good contrast. I like to use a whisk to mix in the colors for melt and pour. Now we add the fragrance oil to the gum ball base. Let's split apart to color it pink. I am adding the colorant step by step until I reach the desired intensity. Once happy with the color, I put it in different sphere molds that come in different sizes. And you can find these molds as well as all other ingredients, tools and equipment that I'm using or recommending down in the description box below. We allow our gumballs to completely harden. I'm going to do the exact same procedure with the yellow color and the blue. While our gumballs are cooling and hardening up, we are going to prepare our main soap part. I'm using a clear melt and pour soap base, and I cut it in small cubes to make the melting process faster and easier. I like to use a double boiler to melt down my ingredients in general, because it is a gentle heating method, ensuring not to overheat your ingredients. You can also use a microwave, and if you do so, use short increments. Also, the soap tends to sweat less if you melt it down gently. Let's have a look if our gumballs are ready to unmold. I think they look great. Once our main soap part is fully melted, we can add fragrance and color. If you see any air bubbles on the surface, you can just use rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle to make them disappear. I'm going to add just a biodegradable glitter and no color for this soap, as I want the soap to be as transparent as possible so the gumballs really pop. It's time to add the fragrance. Be sure to use one that doesn't discolor your soap. Usually you can tell by the color of the fragrance oil itself, so use one that looks clear. Pour the soap halfway into your mold and spritz away any air bubbles right away to ensure the soap remains as transparent as possible. Allow this first pour to harden so it can support the gumballs that you are going to place on top with the design of your choice. Spritz the first layer and the gumballs with rubbing alcohol. This acts like a glue for the next layer and helps your soap really adhere to the other elements. Again, allow the soap to completely harden. Now let's have a look how they turned out. I think this will make a great gift for someone, or You can use it yourself for a little pop in your own shower with this colorful design. There are more melt and pour soap projects here on my channel, and I will leave the playlist here for you to check it out if you're interested. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in more soap making videos and skincare DIY, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I see you around here very soon for another video, and in the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!